Hey, what's up guys? Finally got the scooter down here in beautiful sunny Florida. I had it shipped to 1,352 miles down from Boston. And I want to go over how this came to be. So basically I googled motorcycle shipping and I found a great company on the first page called uShip. There's a bunch of different competitors, but this is the best one that I could find. With uShip, they have 41,000 providers, and they not only ship domestic but international as well, and that's with vehicles, furniture, freight, whatever. But basically you make a profile, you say what you need shipped, and then providers will email you. I made this profile saying I needed my scooter shipped down the country, and within 5 minutes I had a few reach out to me already. Basically they give you a quote. If you agree on the quote, then you can put your money down. Basically you pay and your money is in like an escrow account. But I'll go into that in a second. Once you pay, they give you a BOL, a bill of lading they call it. This is basically like a receipt, and they give you a confirmation code. With this code, you don't tell your provider this until they deliver it to you. This is an extra security measure. But basically, they'll pick up your vehicle or whatever you have shipping at the designated time that you both agree upon. This nice gentleman came in his truck and he brought a nice trailer on the back, which I made sure it was a covered trailer because I didn't want the weather to affect my scooter on the journey down here. But yeah, he came in, he picked it up real easy, and then they give you an email once it's picked up, and with that email also comes a tracking number, and you can just click on that and it gives you a live feed of where your shipment is. It brings you right to Google Maps, which is amazing. So I was able to track the progress down the coast, and like I said, it's live updates, which is great. But once they arrive for delivery, basically you sign the BOL, the bill of lading, and then you give the driver the code, the confirmation code, and that kind of completes the deal. Once you do that and they enter it, you're going to receive an email saying your vehicle or whatever was delivered, and then you click the button to release the payment. So now that money that was in escrow now is released to the provider, they get paid, and you get your shipment on time. Honestly though, this was a super easy process. Like I said, this gentleman was able to drive down the coast in 2 days, which is amazing. I don't know how he did it, but I'm not asking questions. But anyways, if you need some great shipping done that's affordable and professional, uShip, I'd highly recommend it. I'll put a link to their website. But yeah, get out there. If you need something, try out uShip. Bye now.